So in order to do a software upgrade on the Marksman, the first thing we have to do is go into our history screen and click remove storage. And then we open up the switchboard and there is a USB flash drive on the end of a cable. So pull that flash drive out and then put the flash drive in that has got the update, the software update. And then when we go back to the screen, it will check and we say start automatic update. We say yes. Continue with update firmware, yes. So now that the software has been uploaded into the touch screen of the HMI, we now need to load the software into the PLC as well. So at the start of this, it asks us for the automatic update. So this time we say no, and we go into the program. And if we go into the main parameters, we should see the version number up in the top corner. Now what we do is we just find a blank part of the screen and we touch that and hold it down until we get this menu on the left hand side, and you push the top button which says go to system menu and you say yes. Then we go into upload, download and transfer mode, and on the left hand side you click the arrow with the USB and there'll be a file in there, a DVP file, and on the right hand side we click on COM2, and it can sometimes be a bit fiddly, so keep trying. And then you say number 1, which is the station number, and you select the DVP SX2, which is the PLC. So once you've selected the file on the left hand side and the PLC on the right hand side, you click the button in the middle at the top, write in forbidden when PLC is running. Do you want to continue? Yes. Recover the executing status before the program was downloaded, yes. And then it says DVP file download succeed. And once we've done that, we click home and then we click this button again, and that will do a restart of the system. Start automatic update, we say no. Now if we go into main parameters, you can see version 1.30.1, and if we go into the data screen, the password is 521. Then we should see down the bottom that the PLC version matches the number on the program. So 1301, if we go back, we've got 1301, so we know that we've uploaded the correct PLC program and that it's all up to date. So if we go back into history and say remove storage, and then we pull that USB drive out and we put the original one back in, and that will restore our history function with all your data for the history function. And job done.